You wouldn't know by looking at it, but the 2018 Volkswagen Beetle has a new heart. The retro-styled hatchback and its convertible counterpart swap last year's 170 horsepower turbocharged 1.8-litre inline-4 for a 174 horsepower turbo 2.0-litre 4 that can run on a modified version of the more efficient Miller cycle. This new 2.0-litre is not to be confused with the 210 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder offered in top trims of the 2017 Beetle. That engine has since been discontinued. High's retro kick looks relatively spacious, reasonably priced. Low's retro is not so chic anymore, no manual transmission, not much cheaper than a Golf. Along with its modest power bump, the larger displacement engine helps the Beetle earn an estimated city fuel economy figure of 26 miles per gallon, a 2 miles per gallon improvement over the 1.8-litre. Highway ratings hold steady at 33 miles per gallon in S and S models, while the Baja Bug-inspired Dune earns a 34 miles per gallon highway rating. We average 26 miles per gallon in this Beetle through more than 1,000 miles of driving, and the hatchback also returns 33 miles per gallon on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test. The powertrain isn't the only change to the 2018 Beetle, as the model welcomes a new coast trim to the lineup. Our car was equipped with this package. The $23,970 Coast is based on the entry-level $21,070 Beetle S and adds niceties such as a sunroof, a proximity key with push-button start, heated front seats, a 6.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, as well as trim-specific features such as Volkswagen dashboard trim and houndstooth pattern cloth seats. Last year's kitschy classic, luxury-oriented sill, and sporty line sill trims have been discontinued. Coast to coast, the Beetle Coast proved an affable companion as we moseyed around the snow-covered streets of southeast Michigan and pattered about the pockmarked lanes of I-94 on the way to our nation's third coast, the shores of Lake Michigan. Even on Hankook Energy GT or seasoned tires, the Beetle held its own as it blasted through the thick pockets of snow and slush that matted the roads surrounding the Great Lake. Precise steering and a well-damped independent suspension front and rear helped the softly sprung Beetle remain lively enough so as not to be dull. Although the Beetle may not be as fun to pilot as a Mini Cooper hardtop or a Volkswagen Golf, it's certainly not a penalty box. That said, we wish Volkswagen still sold the hunchbacked hatch with a manual gearbox. As it stands, the Beetle is restricted to a lackadaisical 6-speed automatic transmission. Passing at highway speeds is a laborious affair, and this Beetle needed 5.7 seconds to get from 50 to 70 miles per hour, or 0.8 seconds longer than an equally powerful Honda Civic 1.5D sedan equipped with a continuously variable automatic transmission. Thanks to its well of low-end torque, all 184 lb-ft, of which is available at just 1,500 revolutions per minute. The Beetle feels far livelier at slower speeds, as evidenced by its 3.8-second 30 to 50 mph passing time, which topped the Civic by 0.1 second. Likewise, the Beetle squirts off the line with reasonable assurance. The straight to 60 miles per hour required 7.2 seconds, and the quarter mile was eclipsed in 15.6 seconds at 91 miles per hour. The former figure bettered that of a 13-pound lighter, higher-riding Beetle Dune equipped with the old 1.8T engine by 0.2 second. Both Beetles recorded the same quarter-mile time and required 167 feet of tarmac to come to a stop from 70 miles per hour. Smile for style, the Beetle remains a style statement above all else, and its bulbous fenders, raked rear end, and round headlights are unmistakable nods to the original model. Nostalgia bounds inside, too, in the form of the Beetle's horizontal upper dashboard design and available secondary glove box. Although its retro looks and relatively affordable pricing put the Beetle in contention with vehicles such as the Mini Cooper hardtop and the Fiat 500, the Volkswagen is noticeably larger, casting a shadow more than a foot longer than the Mini and more than 2 feet beyond the Fiat. The Beetle's larger footprint is a boon to passenger space, and its back seats are substantially more comfortable than those of the Fiat and the Mini. Additionally, the Beetle's 15 cubic foot cargo hold betters those of the 500 and the Mini by 5 and 6 cubes, respectively. However, everything the Beetle can do, the Golf hatchback can do better. Its back seat is more spacious, its cargo area is more voluminous, and its chassis is both more composed over road irregularities and livelier over twisty tarmac. Furthermore, the Ford's Golf is available with a manual transmission, and its cabin is crafted with richer materials. The $21,760 Golf may look a lot less interesting than the Beetle, but in every other way it's the superior compact Volkswagen hatchback. You've got to like touches like the coast's retro icon an awful lot to pluck this particular shell from the dealer's beach.